Alright, once you get the back off the TV, obviously you have your power supply board, you have the video board, your power supply cable plugs into here. But in order to get this board off, if you need to replace it, push in on the clips here. This will wiggle that out. Like that. And this you'll need to push down on this clip to release this board, because the board you'll push that way. You'll see arrows pointing to the left, but that's how to install it. And you'll see these little clips here. But what you got to do is kind of just push on this clip, kind of like lift the board. Let me get the grip here again. There. Kind of push it that way a little bit. Kind of want to lift up on this and push that way. There we go. Same way here. Now it's kind of off. Of course, you really aren't supposed to be touching these without your strap-on discharge. You know, touching these boards like this, but there's something wrong with the TV anyways. There's the back of it. Of course, you can get a new one, put it right back in place, hook it up. We'll find out if that's my problem. Let's see, I did a quick search on eBay or on online. This board's like, I don't know, 40 bucks. The video board's more like 80 or 90, I think it was. But this TV's only a couple of years old, so $700 TV, and kind of stinks that it's already, let's see, there we go. Yeah, and it's October of 22, so